Oh my god, this guy says he's looking for something serious, like genuine connection. It's actually kind of sweet.
Sweet ba o desperate?
Hey, wanting love doesn't make you desperate, it just means you know what you want.
Girl, I think that's delusional.
Okay, not everyone's emotionally unavailable like you.
Hey, I'm not unavailable. You know, I'm just being realistic, okay? Saka anong love? Scam lang yan, no? Speaking of fake effort, guess who?
Mr. Green Flag?
Can we talk? Anong pag-usap? We're not even talking.
Wow, he's really calling.
Should I answer?
What was that?
I don't know. Something weirdly serious. Anyway, I'll go. Baka closure lang or I don't know. Dramatic naman.
What if it's not?
Then I guess we will find out.
Ano na talaga? Pero seryoso, mukha may ikipag-break sa akin or something. Or, confess?
Pero, nakikita ko pa alam wala. Kapag tipong natutunan mong bago na, hindi pa kasi.
Okay. Pero ano nga, seryoso. Spill. Drama ba to? Or something? I don't know, kasi hindi talaga kita maintindihan.
Sinta, gusto kita. Alam mo yun, di ba? Pero hindi mo na talaga kaya.
Hindi mo kaya ka din. Hindi naman tayo in the first place. Wala naman tayo dito.
Yun na kaya. Yun yung problema, Sinta. Na tayong late, lagi na lang wala. Kasi lagi ako naghihintay para sa bagay na hindi ko naman makukuha. Lahat na lang ng efforts ginagawa ko para sa boss. Hindi mo hinaharap na kita. Kasi alam ko gusto mo yung mga music. Pero wala. Wala akong makukuha ng bagay sa'yo.
Wow, so biglang ganon. Parang ang deep, parang legit na love story. Alam mo naman siguro, in the first place, what we had, anything that we have, wasn't like that, diba?
Maybe not to you, pero it meant something to me eh. Ako kasi ko Sinta. Sa'yo kasi parang hindi. Pero para sa akin mahalaga to. Ang hirap kasi na parang takot ka magmahal.
People will stay there.
So Will, ayaw mo lang. Pero parang I have to let this go kasi hindi ko kayang umaasa lang ako palagi na bigla kang magbabago someday at mamahalin mo rin ako.
Okay, then go. Ano to? I deserve better moments?
Hindi. Moment na sana hindi ka na lang natakot magmahal.
Mainit pa yan. Kain ako.
Thanks na.
I know you very well, my apo. Sakit na.
Hindi ko nga alam bakit ang sakit. Wala naman kaming label.
Labels to protect you from feelings, apo.
I thought I didn't want to be serious. I always thought love was messy, temporary, even delusional.
Pwede naman. But it can also be kind and steady. Oh, ito. Galing to sa lolo mo. Pero bago ang lolo mo, yung dinidate ko before, hindi rin kami nag-work. And it took a lot of ups and downs. Pero wala. Hindi pa rin talaga kami nag-work.
Akala ko po Lolo was your first love, Lola.
No, apo. Before ang lolo mo, I met someone sweet, exciting, malambing, pero puro bukas, mamaya na lang. Alam mo yun, di kami lagi natutuloy. So parang wala. Puro lang salita. Then your lolo came. Hindi siya flashy, hindi man magarbo,
Pero araw-araw siya nandyan. Hinaharana rin ako sa may bintana ang paborito kong kanhima na kanta. Ganun ka-sweet ang lolo mo. Sandamakmak na sulat sa ulan. Maliit man, pero totoo lahat. At higit sa lahat, sapat.
Always remember, Apo, to love is to persevere. Hindi lang yung puro kilig. Yung kaya kang mahalin ng matagal, kahit takot siya.
What if I mess it up na?
And learn from it. Malay mo, hindi pa tapos yung kwento.
Sige. Sige, bye-bye.
Nadine?
Uy, Sinta. Hi.
Hello?
Hindi ko in-expect na makita ka dito.
Oh, wala. May dinaanan lang ako dun.
You look different.
Ikaw din. Actually, since dito ka na rin naman, I've been thinking a lot. Like, about you, about what you have said before. Something about love, staying,
You don't have to explain anything.
but I want to. Kasi I used to think na love is a scam. I mean, yun naman yung sinabi ko noon. And for me, the safest way to not get hurt is parang ako na yung mismong lalayo, I think. And I think because of that, tinaboy kita. And I'm sorry for that. And I don't know, I'm thinking na we can still continue what we had before.
I never stopped hoping you would.
Pero kahit saan man lumingon, nasusulyapan ng kahapon. Dahan-dahan lang kitang
Some will stay, you just don't let them.
sa pagsapit ng dilim na tayo'y magkapili o sa himig na ito ako'y matututo.
What if